This is my review on Paula's Choice 2% BHA gel exfoliant, and it has got salicylic acid in it. I use this product about 4 times a week. I use it either morning or night. I don't use it both, but it is a super exfoliator. As I'm aging and my skin's not turning over the cells as quickly as it used to, this helps and does a beautiful job to lift off those dead skin cells. I don't use it every night. I use it 3 to 4 times a week, but I have used it in the morning as well. I will be honest, I use it either morning or night. It unclogs and shrinks enlarged pores, soothes and evens my skin tone. It is weightless. It's just a gel consistency, and I'll show you. It's just a little gel, and it is really beautiful. I've got so much on that one hand, and it just exfoliates so wonderfully, and it's soft and it's light, and you're not going to have a lot of peeling, but it really does exfoliate, which is exactly, what we need as we start to age. So if you don't have the Paula's Choice Skin Perfecting 2% BHA Gel Exfoliant, put it in your cart today.